Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. However, what are we taking a look at here? That would be a car variation of the brand new Ford Mustang, which would certainly have the outward-bound Dodge Charger in its views, along with the upcoming Chevrolet Camaro, otherwise claimed to morph right into a four-door version. Sporting a lot longer wheelbase than the actual deal, it includes much shorter front doors and an additional pair behind them to make it easier for rear-seat travelers to get in and also out. Likewise, since it has even more inches between the axles, the back seats wouldn't just appropriate for youngsters, as they need to offer lots of space for grown-ups too, a much-deserved upgrade, particularly on longer trips. If you look very closely at the electronic illustrations that have sugardesign_1 on Instagram behind them, then you will certainly additionally see a couple of tweaks made at the back. Furthermore, the auto has flush-mounted door manages and also a trunk space that appears to have actually been slightly improved. It has a gray coating, trips on the OEM wheels, as well as Functions 5.0 emblems too. The latter tells us that we are taking a look at the V8 powered version, which utilizes a naturally aspirated nil, in case you failed to remember, similar to its precursor. Besides the Coyote V8, the 2024 Ford Mustang will certainly also be readily available with the turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine. Customers will need to pick in between the 6-speed handbook or 10-speed transmission, as well as it appears that power is out the cards yet. The brand new Mustang will certainly hit the assembly line next summer, as well as deliveries need to begin quickly after. Thank you for watching.